In a serene garden, filled with blooming flowers, towering trees, and singing birds, Buddha and his disciples were sitting under a majestic Bodhi tree. The sunlight streamed through the leaves, casting a warm glow on their faces. A young disciple, overwhelmed with sorrow, approached Buddha. The young disciple with tears in his eyes spoke to Buddha. "Master, my heart is heavy with sorrow. My family, whom I love dearly, has left me. They are no longer in this world. I feel so alone, so lost." Buddha looked at the disciple with deep compassion and said, "My son, in this world, nothing is permanent. The people we love, the things we cherish, and even our own lives are subject to change. This is the law of impermanence." Buddha then pointed to a river flowing nearby. "Just like this river, life is constantly moving, never staying the same. The water you see now will not be the same water a moment later. So it is with our lives and the people in them." Buddha continued, "We must learn to love without attachment, to appreciate without clinging. When we understand that nothing and no one is truly ours, we find peace in the acceptance of life's impermanence." The disciple, after hearing Buddha's words, felt a sense of calm wash over him. He realized that his sorrow stemmed from his attachment to his family. Understanding the nature of impermanence, he bowed to Buddha in gratitude. Before the disciple left, Buddha added, "Remember, my son, the only true belonging we have is our own mind. Train it, and you will find peace in all situations." The disciple walked away from the garden, feeling lighter and more at peace. He knew that the teachings of Buddha would guide him through the challenges of life. The sound of the river and the rustling leaves accompanied him as he embarked on his new path. This story, coupled with the corresponding images, will create a visually and emotionally engaging video, effectively conveying the profound teachings of Gautam Buddha on impermanence and detachment.